back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I painted Winter's Charm. It's a beautiful landscape full of color and rushing water. If I can do it, you can do it. Stay tuned and I will show you my tips and tricks. Welcome back to Art and Soul Studios. Today we're going to be working on this landscape. It's a little bit different. These are all going to be trees. I have it sketched in, some outbuildings, barns, and all kind of things going on there. But what's different about it is I'm going to have like a waterfall going in the front, and it's going to show a lot of action and activity and motion. And the sky's got some light clouds in it. It's maybe a little bit of reflection from a setting sun will be in it. So, let us begin. Okay. I'm going to start by laying the top of my canvas. This is just an old Lysol bottle that I emptied out. It comes in very handy. It's a very good squirter. Okay, so that's wet. Now, I think we're going to start with a dark blue, and then we can lighten it up with the clouds and stuff. So, let's find a dark blue. Where are we? Here we are. Okay, and we're going to put the dark blue, just to get color. You got to start somewhere, so starting with a wash of dark blue, the trees there, a couple clouds in here, little white puffy ones. And I always start a landscape with the sky. And you can get very creative with your skies, you know. Put the clouds wherever you want them. Very loose. Skies are always darker at the top, so I might even put a little purple in here. Trees down in here. Some color on here and manipulate it later, just as long as you get it going. Okay, I said I was going to put some purple tones in. This is just the shade of purple. Doesn't matter because you can lighten it up, darken it. Blacks and whites. Blend and away. Okay, down in here gets lighter, so we're just gonna take some white and blend this down.
In the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
We put some highlights in those clouds with the white. So I think this area over here where the water is more settled down is going to be this kind of dark bluish purple color.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Okay, we're going to work on this area a little more in here and get some of the darker tones in here and finish it up a little faster here. So I'm going to take a brown and a green, lay the color down. It's the main thing, just get color. Get your painting going. It's kind of like being a writer. You got to get something on the page before you can start improving it and working on it. So we're just getting color down. And just get your color in, blend it out. It's like a greenish brown. Put a little blue in it. Darken it up. Second layer here. Going down. And this is like a winter scene, even though you don't see any snow yet. There will be a little traces of snow. I love painting water and putting water into my paintings. Either rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, moving water. There's many different types of water that you can put in your painting. And it can be very challenging for a beginner, but the more you practice, the better you get at it. The different kinds of water, there can be very still water that almost looks like glass. There can be moving water, can be moving very lazily down the stream, or it can be rippling very fast with a lot of motion. That's kind of very common in rivers and streams. And like there's so much reflection in water, it's reflecting all the colors around. Now there are a couple like tips and rules of thumb for painting water reflections. So whenever you paint, whenever something's dark in your painting, say a tree, it will be lighter in the water. And whenever it's light in the landscape, it will be darker in the water. Colors are less saturated in the water. Don't make them as bright as what they are in the landscape. And all details are left out. Only the basic smudges around, just smudged. Just avoid any hard edges in your reflections. And you'll get a more realistic look, and you'll just be surprised at how realistic it looks if you follow just a couple simple basic rules. And I hope you are enjoying painting the water, because you're going to see me do a lot of it in more videos. this painting. I called it Winter Charm. It's 24 by 30 inches. It's done on canvas with acrylic paints, and it's completed. Happy with it. I hope you're happy with yours. I hope you learned something today. And if you did, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel and let me know what types of videos you'd like to make, because I'd be more than happy to teach you anything you want to know. So, until next time, bye-bye.